Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and kids. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Introducing the ATTOP Mini Drone and the S90 Drone. The ATTOP Mini Drone is priced at just $49 and offers some impressive features. It comes with a camera that can capture HD pictures and live videos. It also has a first-person view through the FPV experience. Safety is a priority with low battery warning, over-voltage protection, emergency stops, and a return home function. It's user-friendly with easy controls, altitude hold, and a foldable design. It also offers multiple flight functions and control modes including 360 degrees flips and a flight path feature. Plus, it can be controlled via remote, app, or voice commands. It's a great option for teenagers and beginners. The S90 drone is priced at $99 and offers premium features. It comes with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera for real-time live video. It also has over 10 professional stunts like 360 degrees flips and circle flight. It's stable with full guards, altitude hold, and 3 speeds. It has a foldable design for portability and offers app control, gesture-based photos, and a VR mode. It's a great option for adults and those looking for a camera drone. Now let's compare the two drones in a few key categories. In terms of price, the ATTOP Mini Drone is priced at $49, while the S90 drone is priced at $99. The ATTOP Mini Drone is more affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. In terms of camera, the ATTOP Mini Drone offers HD pictures and live videos, while the S90 drone offers a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. The S90 drone takes the lead in this category with its higher resolution camera. In terms of user-friendliness, both drones offer user-friendly features. The ATTOP Mini Drone is specifically designed for kids and beginners, with easy controls and altitude hold. The S90 drone also offers user-friendly functions like one-key start, land, and altitude hold. It's a close competition in this category. And there you have it. A comparison of the ATTOP Mini Drone and the S90 drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. If you're looking for an affordable option with great FPV capabilities, the ATTOP Mini Drone might be the one for you. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for a higher resolution camera and premium features, the S90 drone could be the perfect choice. Remember to do your research and consider your needs before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.